ating mga viewers. Good evening. Long time no live, by the way. Huli kong live dito sa IG ko na to, di ko alam. Nakalimutan ko na. Hello everybody, thank you so much. Thank you. Kamustahan muna tayo. So yeah, where do I start? Kasi dapat dalawa eh. Pero no, it's just me today solo. Like what si Alex and si Marcos did. They did a double lives. But today is just gonna be me. Hello everybody. So today I'll be talking about fruitcake. And yes, for the fresh today. Kamusta araw nyo? I've just been hitting the gym. I've just been running errands. Yes, hangover pa rin sa concert. Shout out to our supporters, Sweethearts and Solids. Thank you so much for the concert, the very successful concert, I would say so myself. Thank you. Anyways, so yeah, we're here to talk about fruitcake. Yeah, so my role here in fruitcake is about a teenager. He's a teenager and gusto niya maging cool kid. His name is Jolo Santos. And si Jolo Santos ay ayun, gusto niya maging cool kid, and he's quite of a loser. He's not the smartest tool in the shed, but he does what he wants to do. He does what he needs to do in order to be validated by his peers. And yung friend niya si Jackson, played by Noel, and Noel is a good friend of mine. Can you relate ba with Jolo? In a way, I would say Jolo is more mas OA si Jolo kaysa sa akin. Hindi, nonchalant si Jolo. Hindi, no. Jolo is the most energetic character I've ever played. He's the most energetic character I've ever played. And the difference between me and him is night and day. Siya kasi gusto niya mahanap ng validation na cool kid siya. But for me, no, I don't really. When I was a teenager, when I was 18, I never really wanted that. I never really needed the validation for a cool, like sa mga cool kids. But similarities namin ni Jolo, we were both at the time bullied. There's also a sense of bullying in the movie. Binabully din si Jolo doon. And yeah, yun nga, peer pressure. Of course, peer pressure is always there. Kahit ngayon, kahit adults, I think peer pressure is still very prominent in the workplace, not just in school. Yes, thank you so much everybody. So yeah, this is my first ever movie appearance and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Grabe. Being in a comedy movie, medyo mahirap, I would say. Pero hindi, si Direk Joel really guided me. Shout out kay Direk Joel. He really guided me sa play ng character ni Jolo. He really showed me what to do. He's really funny as well. Napaka relatable din si Direk Joel. Direk Joel, if kung nandyan ka, hello, what's up? Yo, what's up? Akira, what's up pare? Bro, what's up? Thank you guys so much. So yeah, itong movie na to, I'm proud of what I did here. In this movie, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Mukhang magaling ka sa Jolo, palagi ka namang boss. Thank you. I really I really appreciate that. Kasi grabe, yung pinagdaanan ko sa Jolo, nakakapagod pero masaya. Masaya tong project na to kasi ayun nga, comedy, and I would say the comedy is more of slapstick. Meron din yung lines in comedy, but this is more of a slapstick, and my comedy is very physical, as in yung mga pinagdadaanan ko dito, makikita mo visually rather than lines. Wala akong masyadong linya dito eh. Pero madami akong actions. If that makes any sense. Marami akong ginagawa dito sa movie, pero wala akong masyadong linya. Love the genre. Mukhang matatawa kami this June 12. Yes, June 12. Yeah, I hope one day we can have like a private screening. Kung magkaroon man a private screening with me and some sweethearts, some solids, and I think that would be really fun. Nadadala mo ba ang character mo in real life? No. I remember hindi ko nadadala yung character in real life. Like I remember nung Elon, I played Elon in Pirapiras ang Paraiso. If it's okay for me to talk about this muna. Yung iyak ko na eksena with si Tita Snooki, and then nandun din si Kuya Joseph Margo. After the scene, kasi iyak yan. Parang death ni Vlad La Madrid. Spoiler alert. Death ng character ni Joseph Marco. I cried. I really cried. As in, umiyak talaga. As in, yung luha ko, boom. And then, after cut, wala. Di ko na siya nadadala. I just laugh about it. Yeah. What else? So yeah, itong fruitcake project na rin, it took quite a while, no? Like, kasi yung last taping ko was around this year, because we had to retake some shots. We had to go back, we had to do a few more scenes, close-ups, tight shots. And then it's funny because yung mga tight shots na po yan, kasi this year siya na-take. Pero the rest of the movie was last year. And last year, I was like 20 pounds heavier. Parang mga 180 po ako nun in pounds. And ayun, makikita mo naman sa trailer, medyo chubby-chubby ako. But sa mga close-up shots, may mga close-up shots na medyo pumayat ako and short hair ako. So I think that's quite funny. I'm not sure how they're gonna pull it off. Pero yeah. I just found that quite funny. Hello everybody. So yeah, thank you. Thank you sa autograph. Oh, thank you. No problem, anytime. If may papasign kayo sa akin, posters, pictures, adoption papers. Yes, mas mataba ako sa fruitcake. I was like 180 pounds, and then now I'm 160. I think Jolo is definitely a character. I hope I gave this character justice. Do you find your character Jolo challenging? Challenging physically, kasi ang dami kong ginagawa dito in this role. Ang daming pinagawa sa akin ng director na hindi bitaw linya. Kasi yung mga pagbitaw ng linya kay Jolo, para sa akin mas madali yun kesa sa mga ginagawa ko dito. Kasi grabe pinagdaanan ng character ko dito. Makikita nyo na lang kapag nag-showing na. Marriage contact. Wag naman din. I'm saving myself. No. I'm saving myself. Saving. What did you learn from as Jolo? I learned na let's see. I learned na hindi mo kailangan ng validation as yung mga teenagers dyan, hindi mo kailangan ng validation sa peers mo. As long as you do what you need to do in school, as long as you get your work done, don't do anything illegal. Especially, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say it here, kasi si Jolo parang bumili siya ng ayun, para maging cool kid, bumili siya ng drugs. Bumili siya ng drugs. Ayan, yan yung gusto niyang gawin. Like, yan yung goal niya. Gusto niya maging cool kid, so bumili siya ng drugs. So, I would say, advice, don't buy drugs, don't do anything illegal for all the teenagers out there. Because it's really bad. It will really mess you up mentally. It will also mess you up physically too, I would say. May action stunts ka din here. Yes, I do. I do have a lot. Dami kong action dito. Grabe pagod yung action ko. Excited for the ball. Oh my God. Yung bald cap na yan, bro. Grabe. Parang, on that day, parang they took a whole day. Yung bald cap na yan, parang I was sitting down on the chair, naka-standby ako bago ako mag-eksena. Mga 3 hours. 3 hours ako nasa chair lang. Nasa chair lang ako, nilalagyan nila ako ng bald cap. Grabe, 3 hours. 3 hours ako nakaupo sa chair na yan. Tapos hindi lang ako naka-bald cap dun. Meron din akong ibang transformation. Ang dami kong transformation din dito kay Jolo. Grabe. KD Extra. Itlog. Kapag kalbo ako, mukhang itlog eh. Wait lang, hanapin ko. Tingnan ko kung nandito. Hindi, wala. Wala dito. Wala sa iPad ko. Ilang days na kulong si Jolo. Secret. Spoiler alerts. Yeah, wait lang. You guys wanna see what I wore nung fruitcake? Kasi nakita ng iba na KD naka-braces ba si KD? Yes, naka-braces ako doon. Wait, you wanna see You wanna see me wearing my braces? Wait lang. Nandito pa sa akin. Don't worry, malinis naman to. Are you ready? Ay, sorry. Hindi pantay. Nasa akin ba? I kept it. Alangan naman kunin nila. Nakakadiri din yun, di ba? Ayan. Ito yung itsura ko pag naka-braces ako. Ang hirap suotin. Ayoko na. Yeah, so that's me wearing braces. And ang hirap magbitaw ng linya pag naka-braces ka, pag naka-retainers. So, kinailangan ko talaga masanay na nag-uusap habang may retainers or braces, I would say. But yeah, quick lang naman. Minsan nakakalimutan ko nga na habang kumakain or lunch break, kumakain ako tapos nakaganito pala ako. Nakakalimutan ko din eh. Yeah, what else? What else is here? Unforgettable memories. I would say the train scenes kasi lahat kami nandun. The train scenes were quite unforgettable. Kasi our train scenes took a whole day to film. Yeah, a whole day to film and matagal, sobrang tagal ng mga train scenes namin kasi ang dami nangyayari sa train na yan. But it was very fun. The other cast, I'm very grateful to be working with some great actors, great actresses. They're very talented. And I'm honored. What's with the chicken? Paano ba ikwento to? Yung chicken, without spoiling, yung chicken po na yan, dumadaan siya sa iba't ibang characters. That's what I would say. Yung manok na yan, parang napapasa siya sa ibang characters. So, hindi lang ako yung may hawak ng manok na yan. Yeah. So, I don't know what to talk about now. Hindi ko na alam kung anong pag-uusapan natin. Fruitcake reminds me so much of the Jolog. Jolog's the movie. Get that award. I doubt. Pero ako, kahit wag mo nang I don't need the award. I don't think I will naman din. I don't think I will. But yeah, if ever I do, thank you. How did you say yes to this role, Jolo? ayun, they gave me a character description. Tapos nakita ko, fruitcake is, ayun na, parang summer na barkada movie. And then, yeah, I just said yes. Nakita ko, Jolo is an 18-year-old kid. He buys drugs to be cool. He buys drugs to be cool, which you're not supposed to do. Yeah, and I'm really proud of this movie. I think I think I did okay, and yeah, I worked quite hard in this movie. Then I did a lot. I did a lot here. It was very tiring, I would say, but sobrang worth it. Sobrang worth it talaga. Ang bait talaga ng cast, ang bait talaga ng production, and I'm super happy. Super happy to be working with this kind of people. And thank you Create Cinema, thank you Direct Joel, thank you Cornerstone. Yeah. What's up everybody? Oh yeah, thank you by the way guys for the concert. Thank you for the concert again. I'm really happy na lahat kayo sobrang happy din. Sino naka-close mo sa cast? Well, of course si Marcos kasi nakasama ko din sa PPP. So Marcos is one of my closest friends in the cast. Ano theme song ng Fruitcake? The theme song of Fruitcake is Fruitcake. Ba't ko pa naisip yun? No, it's Fruitcake. Any more dream roles after Fruitcake? I'm not choosy naman. I mean, I'm choosy in a way na like whatever will help me grow, whatever will help us grow, and I'm open to a lot of things. I'm open to action actually. Gusto ko action talaga. Action talaga gusto ko. And also horror. I like horror action. Sino ko man? Actually si Ate Yeng din. Yeah, Ate Yeng, shout out kay Ate Yeng. She also guested in our concert, me and Alexis concert. KD likes Add to Heart. But thank you Ate Yeng. She also sang Fruitcake, yung theme song namin. Thank you. Yeah, rom-com. Sana rom-com would be really nice. I think rom-coms are quite underrated nowadays. There are lots of rom-coms like, pero not super recent. Long time no see. What's up, guys? Yeah. Veteran actor na gusto mo pang makatrabaho? Well, there's a lot. Si Christopher De Leon gusto kong makatrabaho. Si Sir Christopher De Leon. Ang galing niya. Recently nanood ako ng Madrasta. Ang galing niya doon. Sobra. Thank you guys. Yeah. I think that's about it. I have 9 minutes left. Ay, Kuya Nick. Thank you, Kuya Nick. Thank you so much, Kuya Nick. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Kaya ni Ate Mia. Thank you so much. Pwede na po ba share kung pwede kailan ang premiere? The premiere is next week. Premiere is next week. Hintayin na lang ang mga detalye. Pero ang alam ko, next week ang premiere. And yes, sadly, ito din, sa June 9, hindi ako makakapunta sa mga, sa fruitcake promotions, sa SM City Ortigas, and sa SM Novaliches. Pero, makakapunta ako sa June 8 sa Vista Mall Taguig, so kita-kits tayo dyan. Yeah, thank you all so much. Thank you everybody. And yeah, I think that's it about fruitcake. Can you share your skincare? My skincare is wake up and then wash my face and then moisturize and then SPF. Very simple. Dati dami kong ginagawa sa mukha ko pero ngayon hindi na masyado. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. So yeah, I'm super proud of fruitcake. Yeah, I think this is a great first appearance in movies, and I think this is my first movie, and being in a movie is great, and I hope there's more in the future. Sana magkaroon in the future. And thank you Create Cinema, thank you Cornerstone for getting me. Grabe, sobrang grateful ako. Yes, of course, Bello Baby pa ako. Yes. Any trivia to share about the movie? Ayun, sa ibang shots, sa ibang close-up shots, payat ako. Tapos, kasi bumalik kami just early this year na para mag-reshoot ng mga ibang shots. And yun lang naman. Galing mo sa fruitcake. Thank you. I'm so proud. I'm proud of myself for being here in fruitcake. Yes. What's your diet? Yung diet ko ngayon, dati okay lang if Create Cinema, sorry, I'll talk about my diet first. So, ngayon, dati kasi, I used to try fasting, pero ngayon hindi na ako nagpa-fasting. Ngayon, as in, gym talaga ako ng gym, and mas madami kinakain ko ngayon eh. I eat a lot now. Unlike before, madami kinakain ko, pero wala akong workout. Ngayon, may workout ako, tapos ang dami ko pang kinakain. Yes, more projects for us. Thank you. I really want to, ayun, like I said, I know that I'm doing a lot of music stuff this year, pero gusto ko talaga maging, I really want to do my best here in acting. And hello Ate Van, hello. Yeah, I really want to do my best in acting. I want to really try. Kasi sayang din. Bata ako, sayang if I don't try. If I don't try acting. Medyo need mo ng malaman kay di mahal ko. Hindi malaki lang kasi mga sinusuot ko, pero malaman ako. Malaki lang sinusuot ko. KD, tomorrow's my birthday. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. Yes, thank you. I just want to keep improving, going the way up. Just keep going up. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bakit fruitcake ang title? Well, if you listen to the lyrics of fruitcake, there's a B-side to every story. Ayan. I believe na yung na yan, there's a B-side to every story. That's one of the main aspects of fruitcake. Lahat ng characters, hindi nila alam na connected sila through some experiences that happen. They don't know that. So it's just different perspectives. I believe Fruitcake is a comedy that has lots and lots of perspectives from different characters. Same story, but so many different perspectives. Yeah, it's a mix of characters and story, yeah. Ang galing. I'll go out of topic again. Ang galing mo kumanta sa concert ng High Notes. Grab. Thank you so much. I really... Guys, hindi ako pumiyok sa concert. Sa mga nagsasabi sa akin na puro ako piyok. Hindi ako pumiyok sa concert. So, you can shut your mouth. Biggest role? I would say my biggest role, top 3, Jolo, Elon. I would say si Kiko din in Toscoin. Kiko din is a big role. And then honorable mention Tenyong Walang Aray. Those are my top top 4 roles that I played. Yeah. And yeah, I know I'll go out of topic again. The concert, I'm very happy. I'm super happy na hindi ako pumiyok. But yeah, I've just been practicing singing every day. Yes, of course, proud ka ba sa fruit? Of course, proud ako sa fruitcake. Wilson din. Yes, I would say Wilson, but I'm not super proud of my acting there. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, of course, sobrang grateful ako, but I wish I acted better as Wilson. Punta na tayo sa regrets, sa mga sisi. Nagsisisi ako na hindi ko paginalingan kay Wilson. Yan yung mga sisi ko. Pati rin kay Julian. Sana ginalingan ko pa sa dalawang character na yan. Pero water under the bridge. I'm just gonna keep going up. Kahit steady, kahit gaano ka steady. Just as long as you're going up. Diba? I think I'm almost at 30 minutes here, but thank you guys so much. Yeah. So I think this live has just been about improving. I would say other perspectives. Being grateful. Ano pa? Yeah, improvement, gratitude, and moving forward, and yeah, this movie Fruitcake. So yeah, guys, Fruitcake is gonna be out in cinemas this June 12. Yeah, see you sa premiere. So kung may mga pupunta sa premiere next week, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga detalye. Pero yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, just remember, anything, not just in showbiz, but anything in life, there's always room for improvement. And as long as you keep pushing yourself, as long as you keep, kahit steady ka lang, kahit gaano ka bagal, as long as you're going up, you're gonna be good. Kasi not everybody is good in snap of a finger, diba? So just keep going, just keep doing what you're doing, diba? Bye everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the sweethearts and solid fandoms for supporting Fruitcake, and also of course Add to Heart K Deluxe in concert. Thank you so much. And of course family and friends, thank you for supporting Fruitcake too. Yeah, life quote from Fruitcake. Ano bang life quote from Fruitcake? Ano pa? wala masyadong linya dun. Yung character ko kasi dun medyo tangay. Pero yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you Cornerstone, thank you Star Magic, thank you Create Cinema, thank you Direct Joel, of course to my other castmates. Thank you. I've learned so many things throughout my years here in showbiz, and yeah, let's just keep improving. Let's keep growing as people, as artists, and of course, as for our loved ones din. We grow for our loved ones. We grow for our friends and family. Thank you. Thank you all so much. God bless you and good night. Let's go.